kind of tools does a good aerial shot need? HD camera, a reliable aircraft, and extraordinary intelligent control to ensure that each frame is beautifully presented. SG600 has a powerful set of features: longer flight, short high-definition images, whatever you want. Portable remote control, open handle automatically over remote control. Stable high-definition image transmission. More satisfied with your perfectionism. Attached shock absorber on camera, SG600 brings you a great flight experience.